Hello, 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 hello. Oh, it's working now. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Today we are going to discuss the what. Hello, guys. All right. Today we are going to discuss the. All right. All right. What? All right. Today we are going to discuss the. So I have just started the what you say DSA course on. So I think it is Coursera. Coursera. This is the app. This course is. Let me reveal. What? This is Coursera, I think, and this is a. This was the course I have enrolled in, and in this. All right. So in this we will discuss some DSA topics. All right. So let's start with very beginning. With very beginning. Beginning is like all right. Le- Let's open some code here first. So this is our directory, and from here we go to we open our file. Okay, say folder. One file. So first program we will discuss is Fibonacci number. Or we can say Fibonacci sequence. So first we will open a file. How can we open that? I think this is the code and I think this is the file. The file here and okay. Fibonacci sequence. All right. So to discuss Fibonacci sequence, what is Fibonacci sequence after all? Fibonacci sequence is first element is 0, then we have 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. So basically, who of plus f of this is what I say. So this is how what is Fibonacci sequence is. So I am using Copilot if anyone is confusing why this are coming from. So yeah, and this is AI tool from GitHub or Microsoft. So this is a very helpful code sample program. So we can generate Fibonacci number using recursor, right? So this is our recursive function here. This and we say that f of a is base case would be like f of 0 is 0 and f of 1 is f of f of 1 is 1. Then let's say we will find to f4. So it is like f4 is f of 3, f of 2, then f of 3 goes like f of 2, f of 1, and this is like f of 1, f of 0, like this. This is f1, f0. So as we can see here, the recursive function is this. There are some redundant calls for the function, alright, which increases the time complexity of the function, alright. So what we will do, uh, this we will discuss in what? This we will discuss it. Uh, what we say. Dynamic programming, where we will discuss. There are two types of dynamic programming, alright. One is backtracking, one is memoization. Memoization, bottom up, top to down, so the different type of dynamic programming approaches we have. So in this, we will not discuss dynamic programming, but let's calculate the time complexity of this, alright. For general terms, f of n equal to f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2 plus 1, like this. So we can also go like f of for bigger terms, because like f of n is less than or equal to f of 2f of n minus 1, alright, plus 1, like this. So if we solve this recursive function, so what we will get here is f of n minus 1 will be like 2 to 2 of f n minus 2 plus 1, like this. F of n minus 2 is like 2 of f n minus 3 plus 1. It goes like this only. And if we backtrack these things here, so we get f of n minus 1 is equal to less than equal to like 2 is here, 2f of n minus 3 plus 1 plus 1, it goes like 4f of n minus 3 plus 2 plus 1. It goes like 4 of fn minus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, I think, let's say like this. And put this into this, so we get 8 fn minus 3 plus 4, no, 2 to 4 here, plus 2 plus 1, like this. So if we generalize this term here, so it goes like 2 power 3 f a minus 3 plus 2 power 2 plus 2 power 1 plus 2 power 0. So if we go so on and so forth, it goes like 2 power k f of n minus k plus 2 power n minus k minus 1 plus 2 power k minus 2 plus 2 power 0, dot, like this. And if we solve this further, f of n minus k, let's say n minus k is 1, equal to, let's say 0, then let's say 1 here, n is equal to k. So this is 0, all right, 1, or whatever you say. So let's say n minus k is equal to 0, the n is equal to k. The f0 is 0 here, right? So it would like this becomes 0. So only question was 2 k minus 1 or 2 power k minus 2 plus dot plus 2 power k 0. Then how we can solve this further is so it's like 2 power k minus. So how to solve this is like this is a geometric series, right? So what is the solution for the geometric is right? A into e to power r minus 1 upon r, I think is this true? A minus r or 1 minus r like this. Alright, so age what? Age 1 and uh, is this n power number of terms like n power r is what? 1 minus 1 is what is this? Let's search for this. I think I am missing out something. Sum of what I'm searching, sum of a geometric series. So sum of geometric series is here, guys. What's going on? Alright, 1 minus r to power n upon 1 minus r, like this. This is the sum. So the formula is a into 1 minus r to power n upon 1 minus r. So we have a is 1 minus r is what? 2 to power r. R is uh, n. So it is k upon 1 minus r. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 here. This is 1. So it goes like 1 minus 2 power k, which is 1 minus 2 power n, minus is like this. So 2 power n minus 1. This is what it becomes. So the time complexity for Fibonacci sequence by is something like 2 power n minus 1, alright, which is very high. This is exponential. So what we can do, guys, is we can do like let's say we build a array here, alright. Let's say we have an array we have an array which initialize frustrated here I am. So this is like this, and we initialize first two indexes with 0 and 1, and next index index is addition of this 1, then next is addition of this, which is 2, and next is addition of these, which is 3, next is addition of these, which is 5, like this. So I think this time complexity will go for order of n, which is very uh, good in comparison to that exponential one. So this is how we should approach some problems. So, so what we can do here, guys, is like, all right. So, or else, uh, which has a type complexity of this is what I have told you, or we can do this by diagonal complexity, which is uh, using array which uses just to indexes to generate next number, right? Or we can use two variables to store previous two numbers and generate next number in order of n time, all right? So let's initialize some array here. Integer, is this the true way? And or search stabilizing new vector. How much? Let's say this is significantly all right. How to initialize this fib 0 fib 0 is equal to fib 1 is 1 here. All right, then we have already imported this. What is this? Syntax error. Where is syntax error here? Right, is this any syntax error? I don't think so. Where is syntax error? All right, so I will go for it. No, this is not how we do. Let's say we can ask for the number here. All right, and then uh, uh, system dot train. We have try some uh, uh, n is equal to dot. I think this was the try the end n is equal to next range like this. We are using n here, and from this for and I is equal to 2 less than n I plus plus and fib I is equal to fib of I minus 1 plus fib of I minus 2, like this. and we no. Enter the Fibonacci number of terms. Yeah, this is the third, and we have now like this. All right. This is how we are going to do. Can we run this internally? Yeah. Java C and Java. What? File not found. All right. Java C and Java. I think it is right. Java. Yeah, like this, and we have to, let's say, how many digits in the 100 numbers. All right. So I think integer is not compensating this. So for this we have to take a long as an integer. So we are confusing here. So what we can do here, guys, it's integer, all right. So fib I is an integer type. So we have to take long data type here, right? Long. I think this could give this Java C. Oh. Still it's not going. Alright, so what we can do is, this is not compensating for these answers, so we can take another long here, long. I think what can we do is double, then we can do this. Oh, right. So, right, this is goes for uh, we can ask Copilot for this, right? Uh, uh, right. Alright, let's initialize this. We can. Try to handle that Fibonacci numbers. Right. This class here, we will discuss this around. Big integer, I think. So larger than what we can store primitive data until long. So big integers supported arbitrarily large integers, making it suitable. Alright, so we can use big integers. Big integers, bigger integers. This is also big integers. Right, so I think we are ready to go. What? Big integer, big integers. What is this going on? Cannot find big integer. Wow. Why is this so rush? राइट इंपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा ना भाई सो इसमें क्या है वी हैव टू इंपोर्ट जावा डॉट मैथ डॉट इंपोर्टेड जावा सीमेंट डॉट ओ yeah and what the hell what's Java C cannot find someone what I think it's already there integer n color 0 dot in everything going well yeah again teacher again teacher and right so this is the big integer dot 0 big integer dot 1 I think and previously provide on dot add alright so this is dot add like this is how you do alright so this is how हेलो हाँ जी हाँ जी फोन पहले तो वो बात करते थे ना हाँ मतलब उसके बाद किसी का वो पकड़ने चाहिए थे ना अभी कुछ चल रहा था जो चल रहा था सामने तो पहले हमारे वो चल रही है क्या क्या कहते हैं उसमें जैसे लोन को लेते क्लोजिंग से दूसरा जो लोन बस वो करते हैं ना रिकवरी रिकवरी करते हैं यहाँ मेरा एक एडमिशन हो गया है तो पहले ही तो मुझे उसके लिए एजुकेशन लोन चाहिए तो उसमें क्या है कि पापा का जो खाता है वो तो उसकी कारण भी चाहिए ना भाई हाँ तो मैंने वहाँ बैंक में जाके बात करी उसने कहा कि हमको करवाना है आपके मुझे ट्रांसफर कैसे आया आज कम गाड़ी में बता है तो लोन का अप्लाई करूँगा उससे पहले तो चीजें जैसे पैसे अभी कैसे हाँ 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 अच्छा क्या मतलब क्या करवाया तुमने बताई वो चल जाओगे अच्छा हाँ हाँ जी ठीक है तो इस पे की तुम 4 दिन तक के अंदर अंदर भी डाल दो हाँ 10 तारीख से चालू दो भी था था ना सर्विस चल रही है वो प्रिंसिपल एग्जाम छुट्टी करना पड़ेगा ये किस्त तो सैलरी पे आ जाएगी वे हम्म, चलो कर लो देख लो कौन सी चीज़ है हाँ So, all right, guys, this is how big integer is implemented. Uh, this is big integer math dot big integer, and big integer, this is I think fib 2 is equal to, hey, big integer dot 1 0, no, let's say 3, I think. Big integer dot 2. Oh, it is correct. Correct. Oh, this logic, it should be fib 2 big integer dot 2. I think, yeah, this is correct. All fib 2, I think, all that. No, 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 this is not 3, I think. Fib 0 is 0, fib 1 is 1, fib 2 is 2, 1 only, and 1 and 1, 2. This is correct. Alright. Alright. This is just for fun, I think. I have done this for fun. There is no need for this. And we have Java C here. Java main dot. We have some integer, let's say 100 only. Alright. So, guys, these are 100, this is 100. How many digits are there? Count digits. Can I digits? How many digits in 100? I think it is 20 plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 digits are, guys. These are 21 digits. Put it in words. Put it in words. Automatically by code. Is this possible? Is this possible, guys? Probably print the number of digits in tag if you choose string dot no. What is value in words? I'm asking this guy. So this was Fibonacci number for you guys, and unit function that converts English word. Alright, Java does not have built-in. Right. Mummy? Next thing we are looking for, guys, is it would be like, alright. So next problem we are discussing here is Josephus problem. Josephus problem. So what is Josephus problem? In this there are n pupil, or we can say soldiers, n DIERS soldiers. Like, they play a game. So game is only one will survive and everyone else has to die. But there is a to uh, pattern for them to dead to die. So pattern is we have to skip K soldier, and kill the next. So let's say there are and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 soldiers, and there is a sword here. Sword is at 1. What we are going to do is we skip 3 soldiers and kill next, and counting start with the soldier which has the sword, and when we skip and kill the next one, let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we kill this, so sword pass to this. Alright, then again counting starts. Then again do the 1, 2, 3 and kill this. Next alive, pass sword to next alive soldier. Right. So 8 is killed. Next alive is this. Now sword is here. Alright. Count 1, 2, 3, and this kill. And sword is now here. And then this will count 1, 2, 3, and this will kill itself. Pass here. So 1, 2, 3, and kill itself only, and pass this here. 1, 2, 3, then kill this. So this will survive. 3 survives. This is this is the game, and the question is where should I stand in the circle so I can survive. So we have to return the position for which I can survive. Alright. So I let's dive into deep into this more. Let's say we have a circle here which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and k is equal to 3, 2, let's say, and 1, 3. This will kill die. So how many we have left with? 1, 2, 4, and 5. 3 is not here, and sword is on 4. So what has changed here? Sword, uh, one has in the first place one has the sword. Now 4 has the sword. So Alright. So real thing changed here is the 1 is replicated with 4, 2 has become 5 and 4 has become 1 and 5 has become, isn't it? Isn't this true? So what we do here is, guys, 1 becomes 4, 2 becomes 5 and 4 becomes 1 and 5 becomes 2. Isn't it true? How can we achieve this? Hello? 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 Alright, so how can we achieve this? 1 to become 1 to become 4 or so forth. Or we can say 4 become 1. This is also true. What we can do here is to 4 become 1, we can do like alright. Alright, so is this correct? No. What I am doing is 1, to start with 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have 1, 2, 3. We have this. We have only 1, 0, 1, 3, and 4. Otherwise, if we don't have one, if we have only 4 people, 0, 1, 2, 3. Alright. Now, and sword should be on 0. Now sword is on 3. So here 0 is becoming 3. Alright. 1 is becoming 4. 2 is becoming 0. And 3 is becoming 1. This is correct analogy, I think. And how can we achieve this? We have total 5. Alright, so how this has come? 0 is becoming 3 and 1 is becoming 4, 2 is becoming 0 and 3 is becoming 1. So this is a cycle, I think. 0 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 3 like this, and plus 2 is becoming 0. Alright, plus 3 mod 5 is equal to 0. 0 plus 3 mod 5 is equal to 3. 1 plus 3 mod 5 is equal to 4, like this, and this is how it can be achieved. But why we want to achieve this? Why we want to achieve this? Because 0, 1, 3, 4. Now 3 has this. How we can treat this as as 0, 1, 2, and 3, where only these are the project. So what can we do here is, after becoming this 1, 2, this is going to dead, and again 3 has the uh, sword. Then this will become 0, 3, 4, and 3 has the sword, and this will become 0, 1, 2, and now 0 has again sword, so 3 is becoming 0 is becomes 3, and 1 becomes 4, and 2 becomes 0. So it can be achieved like, how can we achieve? Should we mode 5 only for this? 0 plus 3 mode 3 mode 5, which is 3, and again we can mode this 5 which is only, and for which 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, mode 5 to 0, 2 plus 3 mode 5 is equal to 0. uh, uh, I think this is the best way to think of this. How can we visualize this? Do we have any online thing to visualize this? I think we have. Um, what is this? Wait a minute. All right. Can we use visualize here? Visualize जो से first solution with recursion. Can we do this? Right. Right. Can we visualize? It is visualization. There are many I don't think so. Can we n minus 1 k plus k minus 1 modulo n plus 1. Wow. 1, 2, one, two, four, six, round 2 starts. Or elimination, I know. Elimination is what I know, but this is not what I was asked. Like we can watch some tutorial also. Wait a minute, I will hide my display first. Transition in this, and now I can watch this. Display first, transition in this, and
वो तो बात करते हैं दोस्त मिलते हैं और एक सर्कल में सेट है आज एक दूसरे का नाम ठीक है तो गेम हम गेम खेलते हैं तो सभी मिलते हैं इन लोगों को क्या करना है यार इन लोगों पे ना एक दूसरे गोली मारनी लेकिन एक रूल का हमेशा पहले ठीक है वो रूल क्या है वो रूल ये कि हम सब ना एक सर्कल में खेलेंगे और हम एक दूसरे से मेरे बंदे को खेलेंगे क्योंकि एक दूसरे कम नहीं करेगा तो ये अपना को यहाँ पर सेकंड थर्ड फर्स्ट लगा ठीक है उसमें से वेट है उसके बाद अगर दिस वहां से जिस वाले को मारता है उसके नेक्स्ट आठ पास ये भी सेम काम करेगा सबके सब रूल ठीक है तीन हमारे संस्कार और वन को मारने वाले ये बंदा भी सेम काम करेगा। अच्छा ये तो मत करो भाई, बंदे के दिमाग से गोली निकाल ये क्या करेगा, ये भी तीन मेरे पड़े, 1 2 3 ठीक है, वही बात। और वन को इसके बाद वाले इसके बाद ये बंदा एक बंदा नहीं से ये क्या करेगा, 1 2 3 और ये वाला बंदा ठीक है। तो हमें बताने इस गेम के अंदर फाइनली टाइम करेगा ठीक है, इस तरीके की गेम है। और एंड में कौन सा वाला बंदा रखेगा बेसिकली, अगर आप सोचो पांच लोग थे जैसे एक बंदे की गोली इन फाइव का एक गेम जैसा एक मेरे जो है वो सब गेम तो लोग कम होते हैं आप लोग खा रहे हैं इससे आप लोग रिलेशन है ऐसे रिलेशन है जो मुझसे बात हम जनरलाइज करने में आता है सेल्फी और देखते देखते आपका फैन धीरे कम हो जाएगा बेस किसका होगा, मतलब आपको एक मतलब शुरुआत में बोला स्टार्टिंग में टाइम पे कितना ये बंदा ही लास्ट कलर है राइट, एक ही बंदा। तो अगर एन वन के आसपास का सीधा होता है तो इसके अलावा क्या हो सकता है, ये तो हमारा डिस्कस है और मैं देखता है इस वाले प्रॉब्लम में यहाँ हुआ क्या, पहले बॉल इसके पास है ये नहीं आता इसमें इसका क्या 1 2 3 ठीक है, सारा बंच नहीं आता यहाँ देखिए ठीक है। तो अब जैसे मैं ट्रांसफर करके कैसा बनेगा वो देखिए, तो ये भी कैसा बन जाएगा कि यहाँ पर लिखा है 0 यहाँ पर लिखा है 3 यहाँ पर लिखा है 6 ठीक है ये होगा। और वन आप 3 वाले बंदे इस वाली बॉल यहाँ पे दिया है तो वन इस वाले बंदे ये वाली प्रॉब्लम ये वाली प्रॉब्लम बिल्कुल सेम सेम है, बस वन की लोकेशन सेम है क्योंकि यहाँ पर देखिए यहाँ पर भी 4 लोग यहाँ पर भी 4 लोग उस वन की टेबल पे हो रही है और साथ ही साथ यहाँ पर कोई 3 पोजीशन पे कोई बंदा है तो यहाँ पर कोई 3 पोजीशन है, यहाँ पर 0 पे 3 पे यहाँ पर 0 ये वाली पोजीशन वाला है। अगर आपको इस वाली प्रॉब्लम इस वाली प्रॉब्लम के रिलेशन फाइंड करना है तो हम फंक्शन में लिखते हैं फंक्शन में डिस्टेंस लिखते हैं एफ ऑफ एन के एफ ऑफ एन माइनस के ये साथ में फॉर दिया है एफ ऑफ एन माइनस एन के ये और एफ ऑफ एन के लिए इसके साथ और दिया है और ये ऑब्वियसली हो जाएगा इसके इसमें है और डिफरेंस है गाना यहाँ पर यहाँ पर हम क्या कर सकते हैं इसको हम नेगेट करने के तरीके से कि ये वाली पोजीशन बिल्कुल यहाँ पर आ जाए यहाँ पर मैपिंग हो सकता है मैपिंग कैसे होगी आप वो देखते हैं जीरो पोजीशन यहाँ पर जो बन रहा है इस पोजीशन में 5 बनने के बाद ठीक है जीरो पोजीशन के लिए इसको एक तरीके से भाग अमेरिकन के पास अब आप कह सकते हैं ये वाली प्रॉब्लम है इस वाली प्रॉब्लम जीरो जीरो को सामने इस वाली प्रॉब्लम भी है इस वाली प्रॉब्लम है तो आप लोगों को दिखा होगा यहाँ पर किस तरीके से रिलेशन काम किया है बेसिकली सब इसके लिए डिलीवरी हो या तो मेल का या कोई तो वन चेक किया मतलब ये टू टॉप किया था फाइव में पता यहां पर सर्कल में बैठा है सर्कल में बैठे थे यहां पर ये सीधे ठीक है राइट हमने का पॉजिटिव का 4 के 5 लग जाए तो यहां पर हम कह सकते हैं कि वहाँ इसीलिए स्टॉप और ठीक है उसमें ठीक है फिक्स नॉट फाइव किया था इस तरीके से हम जनरलाइज ठीक है तो उसको जनरलाइज कर लेते हैं यहाँ पर आपका एन और के था एन माइनस के स्क्वायर आपको तो इसे करेंगे 0 1 3 तो यहाँ पर इस तरीके से कन्वर्ट हो रहा है इसे कन्वर्ट जनरलाइज कर रहे हैं इसकी तो मैंने लिखा 0 कंडीशन से के माइनस के माइनस इस मॉडिफाई के माइनस ऑप्शन इसको और खाली के आपसे अच्छा निकालना है इसको मैं ट्रांसफॉर्म कर रहा हूँ ट्रांसफॉर्म की कैसे कर रहा हूँ कि मैं इसके ही जीरो क्वेश्चन ट्रांसफर कर रियल क्वेश्चन में देख लिया है रियल क्वेश्चन जीरो कर दिया रियल क्वेश्चन में फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में रियल क्वेश्चन तो यहाँ पर जीरो है वो मेरा कन्वर्ट हो रहा है के के अंदर मेरा यहाँ पर 1 है मेरा कोई तो शून्य है तो हमें पता चले और साथ ही यहाँ पर मैं आ गया ठीक है तो मैं देखा किसी कारण में कि आपका ये ओवर भी पसंद है तो फॉरन भी करना चाहिए ठीक है तो इस तरीके से जनरलाइज हो और अब हमें यहाँ यहाँ वाले टाइम पे देखो आने वाले billions and billions of dollars. How much the problem when we found out that we're going to have to cut the into the mandate because it's billions and billions of dollars. More You just make things up on the fly. We'll say serious things and just make them up out of thin air. But I mean, even coming to this tournament, I had a feeling that this is most likely the last time I'm going to be playing a classical tournament here. And also, if I don't qualify for the camp, it's very likely the last time that I play a top level game against this sort of caliber of competition. So, like, there were a lot of these thoughts running through my head as well about, like, if this is like one of the last times I play here with white, do I want to actually like try and go out in glory and blow up completely, or like, or just be practical? And I just felt like with what's happening in the other games and the way they're Yeah. I guess I would. I think that less sound and less sort of, you don't want to affect people's lives and this kind of stuff, and there's a lot of fun stuff with that, you know, I think
CNN with affairs correspondent Valerie. I've already gotten 4 decisions from the court, and among them is one of the.
हेलो। हाँ चाचा, सुनील बोल रहा हूँ। हाँ।
Claims here in the U.S. Here, the Supreme Court sided with a straight woman in Ohio. She filed a reverse discrimination lawsuit against her employer, and her gay boss declined to promote her and instead promoted another gay individual. Now, this is mostly about the bar that members of majority groups, in this case a straight white woman, need to meet in order to file these kinds of claims. Here, in a unanimous opinion, we have sided with this woman. So she there's
तो होली के नाती में कहाँ काहे को होली को नाती कौन? हाँ लौड़े में। हाँ हाँ चाचा, सुनील बोल रहा हूँ। गडो लगा है। हाँ फिर गोली काहे को मारनी पड़ गई वापस ऐसा? पकड़े?
she filed a reverse discrimination lawsuit against her employer, that her gay boss declined to promote her. Instead,
कब मारी है? तो होली को नाती में कहाँ है वो? सब मालूम है।
माने करी
ना मिले।
किस तरीके से हम f of n minus 1 प्लस f of n के निकाल रहे हैं बेसिकली यहाँ से जल्दी से इसके अंदर में स्क्वायर आइटम है, ठीक है, स्क्वायर और इस पूरे का नाम बोलिए
मैं चीनी मांगी मंगल का काल चीनी तो नहीं रहेगी मिस्त्री चली गई मिस्त्री लाई धो के काट मार चल कोई बात नहीं मिस्त्री के पास
वो आप लोगों को इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शन का ये इंपॉर्टेंट है उसको अगर मुझे कन्वर्ट करके हमारे जवाब के आंसर देंगे तो यहाँ बस सिंपल इसमें क्या है एक क्लियर ऐड कर दूंगा तो अगर मैं बोलूं कि मैं आपको आंसर देता हूं पहले सही से ठीक है तो मैं आपको ऐसे फ्रेंड नहीं सुनी ऐसे लाइन को दे और आपको इस ऐसा फ्रेंड की देनी चाहिए तो आप कैसे निकालोगे आप बोलोगे आपको इसका आंसर बाकी जो भी आ रहा है उसके अंदर में क्लियर आंसर देना ठीक है क्लियर क्लियर चाहिए और इस पूरे का मैं नाम दूंगा और यहाँ से इस तरह से आई होप आप लोगों को पूरा कोई लॉजिक समझ आ जाएगा इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शन वाली इंपॉर्टेंट लॉजिक समझना चाहिए इस तरीके से आप f of n minus 1 प्लस f of n के निकाल सकते हैं
वाला नहीं बोली हम
लगवाएंगे हम।
हां काम में गई थी है उनका तो रही पट्टी है रही
वो कह रहे हो तुम?
अंदर ही चल कल फोन में दे दी चीनी मंगल का काल चीनी तो नहीं रहेगी मिस्त्री चली गई मिस्त्री लाई धो के काट
वही
पुलिस एवं एसओजी टीम की लुटेरे दो बदमाशों से हुई मुठभेड़, दोनों की टांग में लगी गोली, अवैध तमंचा, कारतूस, बाइक बरामद, घायल अस्पताल में भर्ती। बुधवार की रात 11 बजे बदमाशों से छाता शेरगढ़ रोड पर पुलिस एवं एसओजी टीम की मुठभेड़ हो गई। दोनों बदमाश पुलिस की गोली लगने से घायल हो गए। इनके कब्जे से लूटी गई
गिराई ना वीडियो
का सामान, अवैध तमंचा, कारतूस,
गिराई वीडियो
Online त्याच्यात मी गंमत आहे चोरी गोली मारा नाही माणूस गोली मारा मी जाऊतो इकडून बदमाश म्हणजे तो Pwede doon patawagan ano. Dito ako. Dito. Dulu kami salah ini. Di apa dia? Di mana dia ini gitu ya? Halo? Hah? Di Ram Ram? हाँ राम राम दीदी और बढ़िया है रात करो कल दोपहर करो तो 3 बेर खाई ना खाओ ने कहाँ से 3 बेर तो दोपहर करो कल हाँ तो 3 बेर तो कल दोपहर में करो फिर रात को करो जब लाला ने उठाओ रात को तो मंदिर चली गए हाँ हाँ
All right, guys. So this was not how we should do that. It was like, let's say we have 5 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to 3. So 1, 2, 3 we do that and like this. So what if we have only 1, 2, 3, 4 people and we have now 1, 2, 4. No, let's have a 0 here. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is not here, and we have what the hell, bro? This is not. It's like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is bad. 0, 1, 3, 4. Let's say we have 0, 1, 2, 3. Now gun has this. Now gun is this. So what we have. So if we can get what is this going on here is here 0 is becoming 3 and 1 4 and all right, right, so 2 is becoming 0 and 3 become like this. Let's say what we are doing here, guys, is let's say uh, if we go like this 0 plus plus 3 1 4 0 and 5 is equal to what? So how we are able to map this? Because if we have
0 1 3
If we want to map this 3 to 0, what we have to do? 3 plus uh, so what is 10 minus 1? 2 more to 5. This is minus 1. And here 0. If we want to map 4 to 1, which is like 4, 3 minus 1, like this. So what we are doing here, guys, is uh, if we are say left plus k like this,
0
all right, which is like 3 becomes 0, so 3 comma 3, it shows like n minus 1 is 3, n minus 1 is 4 plus 3,
and
all right, thank you so much, guys.